Hello, today is just going to be a short little video. I'm just going to show you how to save your image in different file sizes. So this image is currently quite large. It's a poster size file, and I'm going to show you how to save it as a smaller file. So you don't just have to be using the largest size file, because it is very hard to send across emails and things like that. So go up to the top, press File, you're going to come down to Export and Export As. Click on this button and it brings up this window. So we're just waiting for it to load. As you can see on the right hand side, it is showing all the dimensions and pixels of your current image. I always change my images to JPEG, just personal preference. I find that JPEG is a lot better for printing and digital downloads. Now, looking at all that on the side here, we're just going to go over to the left side and we're going to press the plus button. Click, and you can keep clicking this over and over and over, and it will bring up all different sizes of the file, and you don't have to do anything but press a button. Then we're going to go down the bottom and click Export, and that will bring you into your document file save section. As you can see, I've already done this. If you press Open, what it's going to do is it's going to save all those individual files on there for you, and that's it. It's all done. You don't have to do anything else but click a few buttons, and you have multiple file sizes. You can download this background on my Etsy store, see link below, and subscribe if you like this content. Thank you.